Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. Today we gonna continue talking about fractions. So today's lesson we need to know how to write down fractions less than one. Less than one means it will be you will simply recognize or will simply see that the numerator, the number up, will be smaller than the number down. So the number up, for example, is 2 and number down is 6. This is a fraction less than 1. Number up smaller than number down. So if you have the number up is smaller, so it will be less than 1. Any fraction, the numerator, we called the number up last time, we called it numerator. We called the number down denominator. So numerator is smaller than denominator. So if you found numerator is smaller than denominator, so this fraction is less than 1. Less than 1, okay? So I need all of you please to open your books on page 463. 463. And let's see what about this unit or this number line. If you look to this number line, you will have that each jump, we have jumps like this. Each jump, first jump is 1/6, then 2/6. Then we're gonna take this empty space, or we're gonna fill this space, is 3/6. Then 4/6. Then 5/6. then 6 over 6. So you can say that easily. You can say that 6 over 6 will equal to 1. How? We said that this is 6 over 6. It can be written like this, or you can write it down like 6 divided by 6, like this. So 6 divided by 6, you know that it will be 1, equals to 1. So if you have any fraction with the same number up and down, the same number up and down, it will be equal to 1. So if you have 7 over 7 equal 1, 5 over 5 equal 1, 2 over 2 equal 1, 100 over 100 equal 1. Any number over itself equal 1. It is like dividing, it is divided. So any number divided by itself equal 1. Okay, now let's get more examples and let us see what do we have today. Now, if you have a question like this, he said, plot the fraction on the number line. Plot the fraction in the number line, on the number line. So you need to put half on the number line. So just draw the number line like this, starting with zero. As you know that, all of you know that any number line starts with 0 like this, and going to right, the number is going greater, the number is going more. So you will write down 0 and 1. So the fraction will be between them, between 0 and 1. And the distance between 0 and 1, you will divide it into equal parts. But how many equal parts? You have down here 2. So you gonna get 2 equal parts, or you gonna divide this space or this distance into 2 equal parts like this. You're gonna divide it into 2 equal parts. Each part will be half. Each part will be half, 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 will be exactly in the middle of the distance between 0 and 1. It will be exactly in the middle here. So this is 1 over 2, exactly in the middle. Okay, so here plot the fraction on the number line. So 1 over 2 will be here, exactly here in the middle of the distance between 0 and 1. So let us go back a little bit. He said, if you have to plot any fraction on the number line, just follow these 3 steps. First step, divide the length from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, as we just did here. So you just draw the number line, put in the beginning here 0, and to the right like this 1. At the end of the number line to the right like this, 0 and 1. And second step, label each tick mark on the number line. Okay, so just to divide the number line, as we just said, divide the number line into parts, into equal parts, exactly the same like the denominator. So here you need to divide this distance into 4 equal pieces like this, like a cake. If you are dividing a cake into 4 pieces, 4 equal pieces actually, you just divide it from the half like this, from the middle. Then you cut each half into 2 pieces like this. So you're gonna get 4 equal parts like this part equal this part equal this part equal this part. You have 4 equal parts like this. So you need 3 over 4. So each part here will be 1 over 4. 1 over 4 again, it will be 2 over 4. Another 1 over 4, it will be 3 over 4. So you have 3 jumps like this, each jump of 1 over 4. So you're gonna reach 3 over 4 like this. So you just circle the number. You just circle the number like this. 3 over 4 will be here, exactly here. So here he said, how many 1 over 4s are 3 over 4? They are 3. We jumped 3 jumps. So how many jumps? It is 1, 2, 3. So we jumped 3 jumps, just write down 3. So 3/4, we said that 1 over 4 is 4th, is 1/4. So this is 3/4 or 3 over 4. Could be 3 over 4. So here in our question here, this question, after we get 1 over half, 1 over 2 or half in the middle here. So how many halves? How many halves? We have 1/2. 1/2 is half. So this is 1 jump. 1 jump equal half. Here we divided the number line between 0 and 1 like this into 6 equal parts like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 equal parts like this. So this is the first step for the first jump, second jump, third, fourth, fifth. So now you can jump. How many jumps to get 2 over 6? They are 2. You said already what is the number of jumps? 2. It is 2 over 6. So 2 jumps. So the number of jumps is up here. And how many equal parts is down? So equal parts down and number of jumps up. So you need to jump 2 jumps on the number line like this. 1, 2. So here it will be 2 over 6. You jump the first jump 1 over 6, then 2 over 6. So how many 1 over 6? How many jumps? Each jump of 1 over 6. So 2 jumps. 2 jumps of 1 over 6. So 2/6. As we said, it is 6. So 2/6 are 2 over 6 like this. Okay. It is so simple. So I need you now to join me, please. And let's start. I need Tuhami to start. Tuhami, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, Tuhami. Here, he said, plot the fraction on the number line. It is 2 over 4. And he divided the number line into 4 equal parts like this. Okay?
Okay.
So how many jumps here to reach 2 over 4?
How many jumps?
Yeah,
3.
it is 2. Where is 3? You don't have 3 in the question. It is 2.
2.
2. So jump 1, 2. So first jump of 1 over 4 and 1 over 4 again. 1 plus 1 equal
1 plus 1, 2.
2 over 4 like this. So you jumped 2 jumps, each jump of 1 over 4. Okay. So you reached 2 over 4 like this. Okay, ya Tuhami?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Abdullah Ammar.
Yes, Mister.
Abdullah, next question, please. 5
Mister,
over
wait.
what?
You are saying why Abdullah doesn't raise his hand. You know why?
Why?
because when I saw Tuhami unraising his hand, so I said, yeah. So
Yeah,
I
you
unraised,
are so smart.
yeah,
So
smart.
no, it is not like this. I missed your voice, so I chose you and
Yeah,
Tuhami also. Okay,
yeah,
so yeah, Abdullah, could you help me with this one?
yeah. I can
Okay,
hear.
so we're gonna divide the distance between 0 and 1 into how many equal parts?
Okay. 0, 5. He's telling us 5 jumps.
You just have 5 over 6. So how many equal parts? 5 or 6?
Uh, 5
No, equal parts down.
equal parts.
Denominator, yeah,
Yeah,
you will divide over 6, right?
yeah, over 6.
You will divide over 6 means you will divide the distance into 6 equal pieces. So 1, 2,
One,
3,
2,
4,
3.
5, 6, like this. This is first jump. We need how many jumps here? The other
How?
number.
5 jumps. 5 jumps.
Excellent. So 1 jump, 2
One,
jumps,
2 jump, 3
3.
jump, 4 jump, 5 jump,
Excellent.
and
Like
yeah,
here,
5 jump.
exactly like
Yeah,
in this point.
here.
In this point, okay? So it will
Yeah,
be 5 over 6 exactly here, right?
yeah, right. Because we made just easily. We just take the 5 and we just make it around that line or this arrow. And
Okay,
we just put
Abdullah.
it at Wi-Fi. It's easy.
Islam Abdullah,
But
thank you.
I forgot the six that is or the under.
Okay, no problem, no problem. But you get it. At the end, you get it. Okay, Abdullah, thank you. Okay, now I need Karim Adil to join me. Karim.
Hello.
Hello, Karim. Yeah, Karim.
Yes.
Karim, here we have 2 over 3. So we said if we have a fraction like this, we need to find the number line like this, start with 0 and finish with 1. Okay?
Yes.
This is the first thing. Second thing, we divide the distance between 0 and 1
Divide
into how many parts? How many equal parts here?
3.
3. Excellent. So 3 equal parts, like 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. So how many jumps here?
Yes.
2.
2. 2.
Right? 2.
2 times
We
jump.
have 2 jumps. First jump, second jump here. First jump, each jump will be 1 over 3. 1 over the same
Over.
number down, 1 over 3. Then 1 over 3,
Yes.
second jump will
1,
be,
3.
this is 1. Second jump
2,
will be
3.
2 over 3.
2
Is 2
divided
over 3
by
or 2
3.
out of 3, as you like.
Yes.
Okay, Kareem, thank you. So the number that we need is exactly here. Okay, just mark it like this or circle it like this. So next question for Ahmad Fauzi.
Yes, mister.
Ahmad, 6 over 8. We need to
Mister,
write,
correct. I
we
don't
need,
understand.
what?
I don't understand.
Okay, just help me with it. I will solve it and you just help me. Okay, if you have the number line like this, you have
Yes.
number line. Okay, start, firstly start the number line with 0 and finish it with 1. Any
1.
problem? Any problem until now?
Yes.
Do you have any problem until now?
Mm,
Just to draw the number line, start with
no,
0.
the number line, I don't have a problem. The equations, I have a
No
problem.
problem, no problem. Until now, we just going step by step like this. Second step. We need to divide this space from 0 to 1. We need to divide it into how many parts? How many equal parts? Like the number down. We dividing by it. Or we
8.
is over what? Over 8. So you're gonna divide this distance into 8 equal parts. Like this. Just count it. 1,
Okay.
2, 3,
1, 2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7, 8. Like this. It will be like
7,
this.
8.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe, but it is not equal. Not equal, not exactly equal.
Okay. Mr.
But no problem.
Question. I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Why in question 5 did you make two?
2 jumps.
Yes,
Like the
why?
number up. Like the number up. Number up is number of jumps. So up, it is jump. Okay? Up,
Up.
jump.
Okay, and
Down, down, it is equal parts. How many equal parts?
I understand. Now
Okay.
I understand. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, Ahmed. So now we have 8 equal parts. We divided equal parts 8. 8 equal parts in the number line. Now we need how many jumps?
Now we need 6 jumps.
6. Okay, so first 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
1, 2, 3, 4,
4, 5,
6.
6. So
I
the
did.
number will be exactly here, right?
Yes.
Will be 6 over 8. We're gonna find it here.
Yes. 6
Okay,
over 8.
Ahmed. Did you get it now?
Of course I did. Thank you, Mister.
Okay, thank you so much, Ahmed. I love you. Okay. Yeah, Farouk. Farouk, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine also, thank you. Farouk, here we have the number line like this, and we need to divide it into now into how many pieces? How many equal parts?
4.
4, excellent. We're gonna start with 0, as we said, and end with 1. Divide the number line into 4 equal parts, as you said. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now how many jumps, yeah, Farouk?
3.
3, excellent. 1, 2, and 3. So this number that you need, 3 over 4, will be here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you find any problem with it?
No. Mister,
Okay,
I
yeah,
have a
Farouk.
question.
Yes, sure.
Why did you forget last week? You said I will choose you the first.
It is my fault. It is my fault. Okay, just give me 1 second. Just stay with me.
Okay.
I will note that so that I will not forget it tomorrow, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
Just stay with me.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, thank you, Farouk.
Welcome.
This is class 3A. So 3A, Farouk. Okay. Now let's get another question. And here we have to complete the number line. This is a good question, actually. And I need Amr Ibrahim to join me. Amr, how are you?
How are you, Mister? I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine also, yeah, Amr. Thank you. Amr, here we need to know what is the numbers in the spaces or in the empty spaces here. To know, if you need to know what is the numbers or what are fractions are missing here, just count how many jumps that you can jump here in the distance between 0 and 1.
7.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have 8 equal parts. So you're gonna divide the whole distance into 8 equal parts. So the denominator down, the number that you're gonna divide by it will be
8.
8 for any fraction out of these fractions, like this. Now we're gonna need, we just, we're gonna write down what is the numerators, what is the number up, the numbers up. So here, this is the first one. First one will be
1 over 8.
excellent. Second,
2 over 8.
then
3 over 8.
okay,
Over 8.
yes,
5 over 8. 6
yeah,
over 8. And 7
amazing,
over 8.
excellent. So we found the missing fractions. Is it easy or not?
Easy.
Okay, Amr, thank you. Amir, Amir, Omar El Ghazar. Omar, how are you?
Yes, miss.
Omar, here we have two number lines and we need to know how are the number lines the same? How are they different?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna just know uh, how many jumps in the first that we can jump in the first number line.
1, 2,
Yeah,
3, 4, 5, 6.
excellent. 6. So what is the point here pointing to? This is
Okay.
2, right?
Right.
2 over how many
2,
jump?
6.
6. So it will be 2 over 6. So the first number line represent 2 over 6. The second one,
1,
yeah, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 5. Ya Omar.
yes.
6, right? We have 6 also. 6 jumps also, right?
Right.
So what is the point here is pointing
2,
to?
2, 2, 2, 2 out of 6.
2 out of 6 also. So the first number line is exactly the same like the second one, right?
Right. Mister.
But we draw this one is small and this one is a little bit larger.
Okay.
Okay, Omar. Okay,
Mister,
what do you want?
can I answer after Farouk tomorrow?
No problem, sure. Okay, Omar Gazzar. Yeah, no problem, yeah, Omar. Thank you so much, ya Omar.
You are welcome, Mister.
Now, where is Amir? Amir,
Yes, Mister.
Amir, you didn't answer?
No.
What? Amir? Yeah, Amir. Okay, Amir, I can't hear your voice. Unfortunately, I can't hear you. So now let's ask Ahmad Shinawi. Ahmad,
Yes, mister.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, Ahmad, here we have a story problem. Says that we have 3 laps around walking trial is 1 mile. How many laps does it take you to walk 2 over 3 mile? Yeah, did you get any point of the question?
Two jumps.
Yes, excellent. We have to use this number line. So we're gonna start here with 0. And finish with 1. We will divide this number line into how many jumps, how many pieces, how many parts? 3. Excellent. 1, make it greater like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. So we need to walk 2 over 3. So how many jumps, as you said? Ahmad?
2.
2. 1, 2 jumps. 2 jumps will be here. So we're gonna put 2 over 3 exactly here. So he said 3 laps around a walking trial or trail is 1 mile. So this is 3 laps. The first lap, second lap will be 2 over 3 mile, like this. How many laps? So how many laps means how many miles, how many jumps. The question here is how many jumps. So how many jumps, ya Ahmad? You just said. Ahmad.
2.
2 jumps. Excellent. So we have 2 laps or
Yes.
2 jumps.
2.
Okay, thank you. And by this question, we finished our lesson, our easy lesson for today. We're gonna continue, inshallah, tomorrow with the next lesson. It will be similar to this one. Thank you so much and have a nice day. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I love you all. Bye bye.